Good Monday morning, everyone. This week we will be reading Jim Thorpe's Bright Path. So what I need for you to do is to go ahead and get out your writing notebook, turn to your first available page, date it for 5/25/20 in the top left-hand corner, title it Jim Thorpe Spelling Pretest. Number your page 1 to 25, and we will begin. The words this week are prefixes, words at the beginning, such as miss, non, pre, and re. Those are all at the beginning of words that change the meanings. So number one, I will say each word, read the sentence, and repeat the word. Number one, misplace. I always misplace my homework. Misplace. Number two, nonsense. Nonsense poems make me laugh. Nonsense. Number three, prepay. My dad has to prepay before he pumps the gas. Prepay. Number four, repack. I'll repack my suitcase for the trip home. Repack. Number five, misfortune. We had fortune last week in wordly wise. This week in spelling, number five is misfortune. She had the misfortune of spraining her ankle. Misfortune. Number six, remove. Please remove your shoes. Remove. Number seven, pre-cook. Pre-cook the chicken before you put it in the soup. Pre-cook. Number eight, non-stop. My mom works non-stop. Miss Melvin works non-stop. Number nine, recover. Callie will recover from her illness. Recover. Number 10, reseal. Reseal the leftovers in a Ziploc bag. Reseal. Number 11, misbehavior. The children's misbehavior ruined the trip. Misbehavior. Reunion. Our family had a reunion at my sister's place last weekend. Reunion. 13, nonfiction. Nonfiction books are about real things. Nonfiction. Number 14, rebound. Ned jumped high to rebound the basketball. Rebound. 15, prejudge. You should not prejudge a person before a trial. Prejudge. Number 16, readjust. I need to readjust the seat belt. Readjust. 17, misprint. I notice a misprint on the menu. Misprint. Number 18, nonprofit. Dad belongs to a nonprofit organization. Nonprofit. Number 19, nonstick. A nonstick pan is easy to clean. Nonstick. Number 20, precaution. Always fasten your seatbelt as a precaution. Precaution. 21, misinterpret. I tried not to misinterpret the speaker. Misinterpret. 22, mispronounce. It's easy to mispronounce a long last name. Mispronounce. Number 23, non-committal. Dad stayed non-committal during the election. Non-committal, meaning you don't commit to something. 24 is reconstruct. People had to reconstruct houses after the flood. Reconstruct. To construct again. 25, reorganize. Our team will reorganize before next season. Reorganize. To organize again. To do it again. And that is it for this week's words. Be ready to have that for when we see each other during our time at 9:50. And we also will go into breakout rooms right afterwards. All right, we will see you then. Thanks.